Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. 1700 cc's of VTwin power, liquid cooled, fuel injected on this gorgeous matte black bagger from Kawasaki. There are tons of upgrades on this bike. Beautiful, taller windscreen by Clockworks. It's got the front running lights, air cleaner, stereo system with amplifier, awesome sounding exhaust system. Freedom Performance Racing. Wait till you hear that. It's got some really cool LEDs on the back for the brake light and turn signals. Hard case side bag, standard equipment, quick release backrest. The bike is loaded. It's got high-rise handlebars, Kiriakin grips. I'm talking $89.99. Wait till you see this bike for $89.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Hit the brake light, Rob. Flash that a little bit. Those LEDs are really nice. Wait till you hear how she sounds.